Atkins Civil 3D video series, Sewer 3A, construct sewer layout. This video illustrates A. Default settings for construct sewer, B. Create construct sewer pipe network, C. Create sewer manholes and pipes in plan, and D. Modify manholes and pipes. The top corridor surface and the finished surface profiles need to be created prior to the creation of the construct sewer system. The sewer main has to be deep enough to collect the wastewater from the surrounding area and is generally the lowest system. For the Kincaid Road Improvement Project, portions of the existing sewer system had to be lowered to allow space for the construction of drainage facilities. Modify the default settings for construct sewer. Settings tab, right-click the drawing name, edit drawing settings, object layers, pipe, pick the current, C sewer, OK, pipe labeling, pick the current, C sewer text, OK, pipe and structure table, pick the current, C sewer text, OK, pipe section network, pick the current, C sewer, OK. Pipe or structure profile label style, pick the current, C sewer profile, OK. Structure, pick the current, C sewer manhole, OK. Structure labeling, pick the current, C sewer text, OK. OK. Right click pipe network, edit feature settings, default styles, structure default style, pick the current, C sewer manhole concentric, OK. Pipe default style, pick the current, C sewer, OK. Structure plan label style, pick the current, C sewer plan, OK. Pipe plan label style, pick the current, C sewer plan, OK. Structure profile label style, pick the current, C sewer profile, OK. Pipe profile label style, pick the current, C sewer profile, OK. Structure section label style, pick the current, C sewer plan, OK. Default parts list, pick the current, C sewer, OK. Default name format, network name template, pick the current, name, C-sewer, OK. Structure name template, pick the current, manhole next counter, number style. The existing should have been labeled starting with 100. For this video, we'll go ahead and use 001 and start numbering at 100. OK. Pipe name template, P-next counter, number style 001, and again the existing should have started from 100. For this video, starting at 100. OK. OK. Lines are generally drawn on layer 1 for the preliminary layout of the construct sewer main system. For this video, the layout lines for the Kincaid Road Improvement Project are shown. All construct sewer main manholes and pipes will be created on the C sewer pipe network. The construct sewer service laterals will be created on the C sewer service pipe network. Make sure the drawing is in world coordinate system. UCS, enter, W, enter. Create the sewer pipe network, home ribbon, create design panel, pipe network icon, pipe network creation tools, network name C sewer, network plan list C sewer, layers C sewer, OK. Surface name, existing surface with aerial, alignment name, select the primary road, Ken Crown, structure label style C sewer plan, plan label style C sewer plan, OK. In the network layout tools, structure type, concentric manhole, 48-inch diameter, pipe type, PVC pipe, 8 PVC, direction is downhill, pipes and structures. As prompted, pick location of the highest manhole in the main sewer run. Pick location of next downstream manhole. Proceed picking the manholes. Depress escape key when finished. Create the manholes and pipes in the branch run. Pick pipes and structures. Pick the highest point for the new manhole. Pick each succeeding downstream manhole. Hover over a previous manhole to join. Escape. Continue until all constructed manholes and pipes have been created. Create pipe to connect existing sewer pipe to new construct manhole. In Network Layout Tools, toggle flow direction as needed. This is downhill. Pick pipes only. Pick location on existing sewer approximately 5 feet from the manhole. Connect to the manhole. Escape. The pipe is connected at an odd location. Pick the pipe. Use a square glyph and reconnect to the manhole. This may take several trials. Pick the pipe, pick the arrow, and move in the direction to adjust length to 5 feet. Pick labels and use square glyph to move label to a desired location. Pick a manhole, context sensitive ribbon, swap parts. Select eccentric 48-inch diameter manhole. Pick the circle rotate glyph and rotate the top to the desired orientation. Escape. The stationing of a manhole in the vicinity of a side road should be referenced to the side road alignment. Pick the manhole, structure properties, parts properties, reference alignment. Pick the current alignment. Select the side road 46 south. OK. Apply. OK. The manhole stationing is now referenced to the side road station. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.